Okay, can we open up to page 4? I want to play through our scales. We've been working on our C major scale and our F major scale. Can we start with our C major scale? I want us to put our thumb on middle C, and when we play our scale, let's figure out our scale degrees. It's going to start with our C, that's scale degree 1, up to, say it with me, D, scale degree 2, up to E, scale degree 3. Now we're going to pop to F, that's scale degree 4. Keep going up to your So, that's scale degree 5. Up to A, that's scale degree 6. Up to B, that's scale degree 7. Up to C. What do you think? Is C scale degree 8? We already figured out what C was. He was 1. So even though there's 8 notes, we're just back to 1. Yes! You've been getting so good at that from your homework last week. I think we should get Mr. Beatbug's help. I think we should do another scale. Can we play the C major scale with our left hand? And this time, could we do it with Beatles? Let's try this with our left hand. We're going to float our 5 finger down so that we're on bass C. Ready? Here we go. Beetle, 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 pop! Beetle, beetle, pause. Woo! How did that feel? Was it a little fast? I think you've got it. If that felt too fast, go ahead and pause me and try it again. But I'd like to try coming down the scale. This time, can we count with our 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and woo! Nice job. Again, if it felt too fast, go ahead and pause and try it again slower without me. But I think I'd like to now try our F major scale. I think we should start with the right hand. So I've got my thumb on F, and already before I start, I'm going to just go ahead and find my magic key on the B flat. Now for this one, could we do slug, slug? Each of our scale notes will get 2 beats. Can we do that together? Here we go. Slug, up, slug, slug, slug. On the B flat, now pop, slug. Keep going, slug, slug, slug. Nice job. And you did your 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's come back down. This time, let's do our counts. Each of our slugs will get 2 beats. We're going to start with our forefinger. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep coming. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. You were counting and remembering not to use your pinky. Okay, should we try the F major scale with our left hand? This time, I want to do whole notes. Those are so slow. I think Mr. Beatbug needs to give us a little bit faster beat. Help us out, Mr. Beatbug. Because if we're doing our whole notes, how many total beats will each note get? It will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Let's go ahead and start. We'll put our 5 finger on F. Before we begin, go ahead and put your 2 finger on the magic key so you're all set up for that. And then let's play each note as a whole note. Here we go. Whole note. Hold it. Keep going. Whole note. Hold it. Whole note. Hold it. Here's the B flat. Whole note. Hold it. Keep coming to the C note. Hold it. Come up. Pop. Note. Hold it. Keep coming to the T. Whole note. Hold it. Whole note. Hold it. Nice. Are you ready to count them? Each note of our scale will get 4 beats. Here we Go. F, 2, 3, 4, down to E, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4, pop, pop, 2, 3, 4. Here's our magic key, B flat, 2, 3, 4. Keep coming down to A, 2, 3, 4. Finish it out with our Re, 2, 3, 4. End on Do, 2, 3, 4. Wow! You are awesome. I love that you're playing all of your scales and you are counting. That's tricky to do. Nice job.